Hello, and we're back. We're looking into solving linear equations for y. So we're trying to solve for this variable here, y. We have two terms on the left side of the equal sign. We want to get everything that is not a y on the right side of the equal sign. We want to get the y by itself on the left side. Now, if you think you know how to do this, go ahead and pause the video and give it your best shot and see if you can solve for y, and then you can unpause to check your work. So the idea is we want to get rid of this term, this 3x. What's the opposite of 3x? Yeah, so it's negative 3x to both sides of the equal sign. 3x minus 3x is 0. I don't need to write it because I still have something on the left side of the equal sign. I have this 2y, right? There's nothing below the 2y, so I can just write it. 8 minus 3x. Can I combine those two? No, because one has an x and one does not. Now you can put it in either order, 8 minus 3x or negative 3x plus 8, which is the order I'm going to put it in. And I'll show you why in a minute. Well, generally, we just put the variables first. This is generally the reason. So, and now we almost are done. We want to get the y by itself, but we have 2y. What do we have to do to both sides to get rid of that times 2? Yeah, we have to divide by 2. So I'm going to divide every term by 2. Divide everything by 2. Okay? So 2 over 2 is 1. 1 times y is y. Negative 3x over 2 can't be simplified, but I am going to write it slightly differently. Negative 3 over 2, put the negative in the middle, and then put the x. And then plus 8 over 2 can be simplified as plus 4. All right? So that's solving a linear equation for y. Now, generally, the reason why we would do this is because we want to graph this. And if we graph y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 4, it's much easier to see what to do than it is from the original, which we call standard form. Okay, let's try one more and see what you can do here, okay? What if we had, let's see here, 2x minus 10y equals 7. Okay, go ahead and see if you can solve that for y. Pause the video now and solve for y. Okay, so I hope you tried to solve this for y. We want to get rid of this 2x, so I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. Cancels out on the left side, and I have negative 10y equals negative 2x plus 7. Right? And then the opposite of times negative 10 is divide by negative 10. I'm going to divide everything by negative 10. We have y equals, negative over negative is a positive. 2 over 10 is 1 over 5. Oh, there's something loud happening outside. And then plus a negative is the same as minus. So it's minus 7 over 10. Okay? And at this point, you can identify the slope and y-intercept of each one of these, right? If we have y equals mx plus b, the slope is m, right? And that's 1 over 5. Remember, we talked about how that means up 1, right 5. Same as down 1, left 5. And b is the y-intercept, right? And that's at negative 7 over 10, or 0, negative 7 over 10. Not the prettiest point to plot, but you certainly could plot it. All right? I hope that helps your understanding of solving linear equations for y, and we will see you next time. Take care.